Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Capella University. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, you have to type down capella.edu and enter it after you're done. And make sure that it's in the correct form in order to open the Capella University official homepage. And here we can see we just landed to the Capella University official homepage. And in top right corner, right over here, we could see the login option. So click on this option and you will see the options here as well. If you're applicants, click on the applicants. If you're students and alumni, you have to select this option. But if you're for the faculty, click on this. I'm going to go with the students and alumni. And here we can see in order to log in, you have to type down your username as well as your password. So simply type down your username and your password as well. And after that, click on the login option and then you will be successfully logged into the Capella. But if you have forgotten your username or you have forgotten your password, here we could see the two options just below the login and select wisely. I select as per you need to recover and then you'll be able to recover your username or reset your password as well. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.